The Realme Narzo N53 is a new budget smartphone that sits below the Narzo N55. Realme says that the N53 is its slimmest smartphone to date. The company seems to have taken a lot of inspiration from the iPhone Pro models when you look at the N53's camera module. However, what matters is if the Realme Narzo N53 is actually worth your money. Our review is up on gadget360.com, and here is our quick unboxing and first look at the device. Despite being a budget phone, the Realme Narzo N53 comes with all the necessary accessories in the box. First up, you get the transparent case and some documents. Next, there's the Realme Narzo N53 in its feather gold color. The box also packs a USB Type-C cable and a 33-watt Superbook charger. The Realme Narzo N53 is quite lightweight thanks to the plastic build. The frame and rear panel are flat, just like most other phones in 2023. While I'm particularly not a fan of the gradient shimmery color scheme of this California Sunshine variant, a few others found it unique looking. The Narzo N53 has a fingerprint scanner on the side, above which are the volume buttons. You get a USB Type-C port sandwiched between a headphone jack, microphone and the primary speaker grill. On the front, the phone has a water drop notch for the 8-megapixel front camera. There's a tall 6.74-inch IPS LCD display with a 90Hz refresh rate. However, the screen only offers an HD Plus resolution with a peak brightness of 450 nits. The dual camera setup on the back features a 50-megapixel primary sensor and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. Realme has managed to pack a 5000 mAh battery capacity, which is impressive given how slim it is. The Narzo N53 also supports 33-watt fast charging, which is quite good. Realme claims that the device will charge from 0 to 50% in about 31 minutes, whereas a full charge should take about 88 minutes. To make the charging experience look cooler, Realme has introduced its mini capsule feature, which mimics Apple's dynamic island. The feature essentially expands the water drop notch horizontally to show the charging percentage. It's a pretty cool gimmick, I must say. Other specs of the Realme Narzo N53 include a Unisoc T612 4G SoC and Android 13 based Realme UI T edition. The phone is available in two variants, 4GB RAM and 64GB of storage, and 6GB RAM and 128GB of storage. Internal storage can be expanded to up to 2 TB. So, is Realme Narzo N53 a smartphone worth buying for the price? Find out in the full review, which is up on gadget360.com.